Welcome students. In this video, I am going to discuss exercise 9.4. Now this topic has been deleted from your syllabus now, but we are going to use this topic in 12th standard, so I would like to discuss formulas and some questions from exercise 9.4. Sum to n terms of special series. The first formula is 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to so on n. Sum of first and natural numbers. You know that this series is in AP with the first term 1. Common difference is also 1. So the sum is number of terms divided by 2 into first plus last term. So this is summation n is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Next is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to n square. This is sum of squares of first n natural number. It can be represented by summation n square, and the formula is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Next is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to so on n cube. This is sum of cubes of first and natural number. This is summation n cube, and the value is n into n plus 1 by 2, and it's a whole square. Now find the sum to n terms of the series in the exercises 1 to 7. You have to find the sum of n terms of this series. The first term is 1 into 2. The second term is 2 into 3. The third term is 3 into 4. The fourth term is 4 into 5. If we look at the first term factor of this term, here 1. For second term it is 2. For third term it is 3. For fourth term it is 4. That means for nth term the first factor will be n. Now if it is 1 here, you are having 2. For 2 it is 3. For 3 it is 4. So for nth term this is n plus 1. So it can be written as n square plus n. Now Sn is summation an. So summation n square plus summation n. You can split your summation n square plus summation n. Applies the formula. The formula of summation n square is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. And this is n into n plus 1 by 2. Take n into n plus 1 by 2 common, you are left with this. Take 3 LCM, you will have 2n plus 4. Again from this bracket you can take 2 common, that will be cancelled. So you will have n plus 1. You take 2 common from here, you are left with n plus 2. And denominator this 2 is cancelled, so we will have 3. Question number 3. Find the sum of n terms of this series. Now first we look at the second factor. This is 1 square. For second term it is 2 square. This is 3 square. That means for nth term this is n square. Now come to first factor. 3, 5, 7. If we look at the series 3, 5, 7. Clearly this series is in AP. The first term 3. Common difference 2. If we find the nth term, the formula is a plus n minus 1 into d. So a is 3 plus n minus 1 into 2. That means your answer will be 2n plus 1. Right? So this is 2n plus 1 into n square. Multiply it. Now we have to find the sum of n terms. It is summation an. Put the value of nth term here. Now you can split your summation and take constant common. So I have rewritten this as twice of summation n cube plus summation n square. Its formula is n into n plus 1 by 2, and it's a whole square. And the formula of summation n square is n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Now expand your square, you will get n square, n plus 1 square. In denominator we have 4. 2 is cancelled from 4, so we are left with 2. In next step you can take the factor which are common. So take these factor common. Next step, take LCM and simplify this. You are going to have this your answer. Next, question number 5. Find the sum of this series. This is 5 square plus 6 square plus 7 square up to so on 20 square. Now whenever we are going to apply the formula or the sum formula will start from the first term only. So we are going to add 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. And this series as it is, that means you are going to have 1 square, 2 square up to so on 20 square. We are adding these terms, that means we have to subtract these 4 factor also. So minus sign, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. Now this series is summation n square. In this bracket, the sum n or the terms vary from 1 to 20. This series is also n square and the n varies from 1 to 4. You cannot write 12, 20 minus 4, 16. That will be wrong, right? So apply the formula here, n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6. Here value of n will be 20 because we are finding the sum of 20 terms. And here same formula, but n is 4. So put n 20 here, you will get 20, 20 plus 1, 21, 2 into 20 plus 1, 41 by 6. Same here, put n is equal to 4. You will get 4 into 5 into 9 upon 6. Multiply them, take 6 as LCM and divided by 6. You will get 2, 8, 4, 0. Find the sum to n terms of series whose nth term is given. Now in this question you are already given the value of nth term. So find Sn. It is summation an. Split your summation. The first factor is summation n square, which is n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6. Now this series, you are finding the sum of n terms from 1 to n, right? That means for first factor, for first term, we'll put n is equal to 1, 2 raised to the power 1. For second term, 2 and 2, 2 raised to the power 2. For last term, we put n is equal to n, right? Clearly this series is in GP. The first term, a is 2, common ratio r is 2, which is more than 1. So apply the formula of GP. Sum of n terms of GP, a is 2, r raised to the power n, 2 raised to the power n minus 1 upon 2 minus 1, r minus 1. Now this is 2 minus 1 is 1. In next step, you can simply write this factor as 2 into 2 raised to the power n minus 1. Question number 10. Find the sum of n terms of this series whose nth term is given. This is given. Expand your square, you will get 4n square plus 1 minus 4n. Now find Sn. It is summation an. Write this. Now split your summation. So you will have 4 into summation n square plus summation 1 minus 4 into summation n. So this is n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6. This is summation 1. If you are adding 1 n times, answer will be n minus 4. Summation n is n into n plus 1 by 2. Take n common, you will get this. Now after this, you will take your LCM and simplify your answer. Now I am going to discuss example number 19 from exercise 9.4. Find the sum to n terms of series. Series is 5 plus 11 plus 19 plus 29 plus 41. If we look at the difference, 6, then difference, 19 minus 11 is 8, 29 minus 19 is 10, then we have 12. That means the difference is not constant. So the given series is not in AP and neither this series is in GP. So we are going to do this question from a different method. Let us write your sum as 5 plus 11 plus 19 plus 29 plus 41 up to so on. We are finding the sum of n terms. So last term will be nth and the second last term will be n minus 1th term. Again write your Sn. Now shift one position of all the terms. Here I have written 5, then 11, then 19, then 41. That means this is second term. So here I have written the first term. This is third term. So I have written the second term. Fourth term, third term. So if it is going to be n minus 1th term, here I have written n minus 2th term. This is your nth term. So it will be n minus 1th term and this nth term as it is. Now subtract these two series. This is Sn minus Sn. It is 0. This 5 I have written as it is. Now subtract up to here. You will get 11 minus 5, 6. 19 minus 11, 8. Then here 29 minus 19, 10. Up to so on. So this will go up to n minus 1th term. And this an, we are subtracting that when this second series is going to change its sign. So I have written minus an. Now shift this an to the left hand side and remaining all factor as it is. Look at the series in the bracket. Clearly this series is in AP. The first term is 6. Common difference 2. The number of terms here are n minus 1. So apply the sum of AP. Number of terms divided by 2. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here number of terms are n minus 1 divided by 2. 2 into 6 plus n minus 2, n minus 1 minus 1. So it will be n minus 2 into common difference is 2. Simplify it and you will get n square plus 3n plus 1. Now we have to find the sum of n terms, right? It is summation an. Put the value of an, split your summation, you will get summation n square plus 3 into summation n plus summation 1. Apply its formula. This is n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6. This is 3 into n plus 1 by 2. Summation 1 is n. Take n common, right? You will have this. In next step, take 6 as LCM. So you are going to have a quadratic equation. 2n square plus 12n plus 16. Again you can take 2 common. So you will have this. Now factorize it. The sum is 6, product is 8. So this is plus 4n plus 2n. Factorize it, you will have your answer n plus 2, n plus 4 by 3.